Hi, this is Owen from Wizsoft introducing a new development platform and concept. In this demo application you can type an account key and view its transactions inside the grid. You can also filter transactions by date. Let's look at the source code. This is the source code. This is all the application's source code. All the source code is inside the HTML page and it consists of pure JavaScript and HTML. This is a database JavaScript object. This object can receive a full ODBC connect string that enables you to access any server and any database type, or you can use the default settings and just write a database name and the system will go to the database defined during installation. This is possible due to the encrypt tag. This encrypt tag is recognized by our extension, and when data leaves the server, any data inside this encrypt tag is encrypted, preventing the user from viewing or changing any data that is inside an encrypt tag. When the data arrives at the client, it looks like that. This is our connect string. It's encrypted, the user cannot change it, and of course he cannot view it. After defining your database object, you can use this object in order to perform all the actions you would expect from a database object. You can execute all kinds of SQL statements, including selects, inserts, deletes, updates. You can call store procedures. You can even start transactions and decide later whether to commit or roll back. You can even start a transaction on one page and decide whether to commit or roll back on another page. In this example, we execute a select statement. The select statement, of course, is inside an encrypt tag. However, we can supply parameters on runtime, and these parameters affects the way the statement runs on the server. In this example, we can supply at runtime the account key and date. The system knows to prevent security problems like SQL injections. It knows to format the date to the right format of the database you've chosen. So if you've chosen an SQL server, the system will know to format it to the SQL server format. If it's a MySQL database that has a different default format, the system will know to format it to the right format. This SQL sentence is provided as a first parameter to our getServerData, which is a member of your database object. After the SQL statement, following are the first parameter, the account key, and the second parameter, the date. All of these functions also have a non-blocking member function. In this example, we will see the blocking member function. It returns an object. This object contains, among other things, the results of your SQL statement. This is a two-dimensional array. Since this SQL sentence has 3 columns, this two-dimensional array will also have 3 columns. And you can just call your grid function, add lines from array, and tell it to add the lines from this array. This is just a demonstration of how we can use the encrypt tag in order to perform actions that we couldn't do without it in JavaScript. Our development platform consists of a rich API for accessing databases, files, semaphore, and even loading at runtime DLLs and executing functions inside those DLL, and it's all done in a secured way. The system is also fully extendable and enables you to write your own functions in C++ and call them directly from your HTML file in a secured way. These functions will accept parameters that were sent from the JavaScript in a very simple and very easy way to program. We will see more about that in our next video. Also in our next video we will learn about tokens, which enables you to make conditional actions on your JavaScript API. Stay for us for our next video. Thank you very much.